Russian soldiers destroyed a Ukrainian Tu-22 Bohdana self-propelled artillery gun mounted on a Tatra chassis. The operation began with a reconnaissance drone scanning the area for movement. Since these artillery guns have shoot and scoot capability, the drone spotted it while on the move and tracked it to its destination. As the gun stopped and prepared to fire at Russian positions, a Lancet kamikaze drone was launched. Its flight and targeting were corrected in real time using the optical ball at the tip of the X-shaped drone. With a range of around 50 kilometers, the Lancet struck the artillery gun deep inside the battlefield. This is how counter-battery missions are now executed, neutralizing artillery with drones. Previously, such missions relied mainly on artillery fire, guided by radar to locate enemy guns. But drones have greatly simplified and enhanced these operations.